Yeah, crash just happened. Shit is sick. Dang. I don't know how the fuck it happened, but this motherfucker going on YouTube. Damn. What the fuck? 2 cars at once? So hold up, who went first? Damn. So you were... Okay, what I think happened was he tried to make a turn, he couldn't make the turn. What year is this car? What year is this? Sir. Sir, what year is this car? You know what year this car is? What he don't know is this car might have a defect. What year is this car? You don't know the year of the car? The year of the car. I'm saying because, you know, they built certain cars at a time of the year that them joints got defects. He tried to make the turn. Look at the turn. She was trying to go straight. He tried to make the turn up here. So she know what she doing, but only thing is, you know, I hope they got insurance, because this shit. Damn. Look at that shit. This shit going on YouTube. I don't know about y'all, but I'm about to get that money. Look at that. That YouTube money. Y'all playing. Y'all think this shit is a game. Look at that. Look at that. My man got a car from 05 and it's 2013. And she got a brand new joint. I hope she get a brand new car back, because that shit ridiculous.